Hey guys, welcome back. So just a super quick video to show you that you can see on my second generation Firestick Max, which is running FireOS 8.1.7.4. You can see the current date and time there. But watch what happens now when I press the home button on my device. 3, 2, 1, press. We are instantly taken to a custom launcher where once again, after a long time, we can fully customize our home screen, where I can customize all of my applications. I can use custom backgrounds. I can create custom categories. And again, I can open up any application. Here's Me Explorer. Once I open up the app, I can press the home button again. 3, 2, 1. We are instantly taken back to that custom launcher. And it's not just FireOS 8 devices now, guys. So if I now jump over to my third generation Fire TV Cube, we can see on my third generation Fire TV Cube, I'm running FireOS 7.7.1.4. You can see the date there. And again, when I press the home button, slightly different experience with a bit of a splash screen, but you can see once again on this device, it again takes me to my custom launcher. So super straightforward. And for somebody that's just fed up of seeing the standard home screen, this really could be the solution that you are waiting for. And again, just to demonstrate, you can open up any application. Let's open up VLC. Opens up fine. And again, when I press the home button, I do see a splash screen for a few seconds, but as soon as that's loaded, it once again takes me back to my custom launcher. Now, I'm sure if you've been following my channel for a while, then this is something that developers have been working on for more than 4 or 5 years. A new fix comes out, you get the ability to use custom launchers, then the big A quickly patch it, and then you're back to the standard home screen. But as of today, as of June the 28th, this has to be the newest and latest method of doing this. And as I've just shown you on FireOS 8, it's instantaneous. So anytime you press the home button, it will always take you to your custom launcher. Whereas on FireOS 7, it does have a 2 or 3 second delay. But again, for somebody that's just fed up of seeing all of those adverts, all of that sponsored content, all of those promoted applications, this could be a great alternative that you could use on all of your devices to take you to a custom launcher whenever you press the home button. The challenge we've got, or the issue I've got, is anytime I do make a video on this explaining the process, either it gets patched very quickly, or in some cases Amazon just get the video taken down, which obviously I don't want to risk on my channel. So I do have to be a bit careful, and I'm just trying to work out what's the best way I can share this with you. Maybe I'll create an article on my website, or if there's a better idea, maybe you guys can leave me a comment. But I just want to show you that this is possible on both FireOS 7 and FireOS 8. I'm just trying to work out what's the best way I can share this workaround with you. And just thinking about this, when I've recently made any kind of launcher or custom launcher type videos, they don't seem to be overly popular. So maybe the appetite for this is not really there anymore. So maybe you guys are just not interested in these kind of workarounds. So let's say if this video gets to 1,000 likes, then that will be an indication or a justification for me that lots of you are interested, that I can plan a video or plan how I can share this with you. But of course, if you're not interested, then you can leave me a comment below. Just say, I'm not interested in custom launchers, or I moved on from the Fire Sticks, or I just find custom launchers boring, or whatever the reason is. If you can leave me a comment, I would appreciate that. But I just want to give you this quick sneak preview of what is possible on the latest FireOS 7 and 8 devices. So really appreciate your support. Do leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.